Hello, and welcome to Storyboard That. My name is Eric, and today I'm going to show you how to add Storyboard That as an app to your Schoology dashboard. So, if you are the Schoology admin or have permission to add apps to your Schoology account, then this video is for you. So let's get started. Now, as you can see, I am in Schoology already, and I want to go over to the App Center. So select this little icon here and click App Center. All right, now as you can see, there are a ton of apps to choose from, so I'm going to scroll down until I find Storyboard That. You can also hit Control or Command F, type in Storyboard That, and find it a little bit faster than this. All right, here we go. Now I want to make sure I click Install LTI 1.3, and then we're going to click I agree, click Continue, and then you want to click Install for me, and then select the users that you want, and make sure you select your courses, and then click Install. All right, there we go. Now we have Storyboard That. Now if we go over to our courses and select a course, you should have materials selected in the left-hand menu. With that selected, you can go to Add Materials and then click Add Storyboard That. And there we go. And now you have Storyboard That app on your Schoology. Make sure to watch our next video on how to create an assignment with your Storyboard That app in Schoology. Thanks for watching.